This is the money pothos plant which I have kept in my entrance. It is in a huge pot, and with the help of moss stick I have decorated it. Now this is one of the permanent plants, one of the indoor plants which you can start your gardening with. So when I started up, I brought a small stem of money pothos and I put it in the same pot, and it is here for now almost a year. And this is one of the plants that you can grow without any trouble, without any bothering, because these plants are low maintenance and also easy to care. So today I thought of sharing with you some of the tips growing this beautiful money pothos plant. So the first tip is, this is an indoor plant which loves the semi-shade or the partial sunlight. So keep it in a place where it can get the sunlight, because the location of the plant plays a major role where it is located and the sunlight it is getting. So now, as I have told you all, it needs the partial sunlight to grow. Keep it in a garden area where it gets the medium to partial sunlight, because these plants doesn't like the bright direct sunlight. When talking about propagation, you can propagate them and grow them with single stem cuttings. This is a very easy to grow plant with single stems. What you got to do is cut a leaf, cut a stem with nodes, and put it in water. You can easily propagate it, or else you can put them direct in soil so that they will grow really very fast. Here I have some of the cuttings in mugs. So when talking about the soil, you need well draining soil. You can take garden soil plus some coco peat to balance the moisture of the plants, because these plants like the high humidity. So mix some coco peat and some sand. So when talking about watering these plants, you can check the soil and water these plants. Do not overwater, but always at the beginning of the day you can spray the plant. I of course spray the leaves. So these plants would love to have a spray in the morning. So this is one of the indoor plants. So keep them happy by spraying them in the morning. So that is how you give a mist spray to keep the plant leaves fresh and healthy. There are many varieties of pothos plants: neon pothos, golden pothos, and also I have the enjoy pothos and marble queen pothos. This is enjoy pothos, and here I have the marble queen pothos plant. It's also marble queen pothos, leggy and bushy. When talking about fertilizer, I use tea and coffee fertilizer for these ornamental plants, especially the money pothos plant, and time to time you can give them in powder form, or else you can use the liquid form.